top 10 real AI side hustles people are using to make anywhere from $50 to $1,000 a day. These aren't theory. 1. Offer AI assistant for hire service clients. Small businesses overwhelmed with daily tasks. Tools, ChatGPT, Zapier, Notion. Income, $300 to $3,000 per month. Retainer model. Steps. Offer yourself as a remote AI-powered assistant. Help businesses. Automate replies. Write emails. Do research. Use ChatGPT for 90% of the work. Use LinkedIn to outreach or Upwork to start. Offer monthly support packages. E.g., 10 hours per month equals $500. 2. Email copywriting with AI clients. Coaches, businesses, tools, ChatGPT, MailChimp income, $200 to $1,000 per sequence. Steps, DM businesses or apply on job boards. Use prompt, write a 5-email welcome series for a digital productivity course. 3. Prompt selling platforms. PromptBase, Gumroad, Ko-Fi Tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney income, $100 to $1,000 per month. Steps. Create niche prompt packs. ChatGPT productivity prompts AI image prompts for tattoo artists. Sell as PDF on PromptBase or Gumroad. Promote on Reddit and Discord. Bundle prompts by Nush equals more value, higher price. Personalize, then test using MailChimp or ConvertKit. Charge more for analytics. 4. AI course creation service clients, coaches, consultants, tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Notion income, $500 to $2,000 per course. Steps, DM coaches. I'll build your full course outline, slides and quizzes using AI. Use ChatGPT to structure. Create a 5-module course outline on productivity for freelancers. Use Canva to design lesson slides and worksheets. Add voiceover or script writing for extra revenue. AI-powered blogging for affiliate income tools. ChatGPT, Surfer SEO, Medium, Notion earnings, $50 to $2,000 per month via affiliates. Steps, pick a niche, finance, health, productivity. Ask ChatGPT. Write a 1,000-word SEO blog post on best budgeting apps in 2025. Add affiliate links from sites like Impact or Amazon. Publish on Medium or Substack for traffic. Monetize with affiliate clicks and newsletter subs. 6. Etsy Digital Product Store. Powered by AI tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, Creative Fabrica income, $200 to $2,000 per month. Steps, pick a niche, affirmations, wall art, planners, kids activity books. Use ChatGPT to generate content, e.g. 100 daily affirmations. Design in Canva or use AI-generated art. Upload to Etsy with optimized SEO tags. TikTok or Reels. Script writer using AI clients, content creators, influencers, tools, ChatGPT, Notion, CapCut income, $10 to $25 per script. Steps, offer 15 viral scripts in 24 hours on Fiverr or via Instagram DMs. Prompt ChatGPT. Write a 15-second TikTok script that hooks viewers in the first 3 seconds about niche. Deliver scripts with timestamps and effects. 8. Faceless YouTube automation channel tools, ChatGPT, Pictory, 11 Labs, Canva income potential, $10 to $50 per 1,000 views once monetized. Steps. Pick a niche, e.g. AI news, money hacks, or tech explainers. Use ChatGPT to write a 3-minute script. Use Pictory to turn it into a video. Add AI voice and upload with SEO title. Monetize via AdSense plus affiliate links. 9. Voiceover work with AI tools. Clients, YouTubers, marketers, coaches, tools, 11 Labs, PlayHT, or Lovo AI. Earning potential, $25 to $300 per voiceover. Steps, create sample voiceovers using AI. Use YouTube scripts or articles. Upload samples on Fiverr, Voices.com, and TikTok. Offer fast delivery for extra charges. 10. AI resume and LinkedIn optimization services. Clients, job seekers, tools, ChatGPT, Canva, LinkedIn. Setup time, 1 hour. Income potential, $30 to $200 per client. Steps, sign up on Fiverr or Upwork. Use ChatGPT prompt. Rewrite this resume for a UX designer role at a tech company in a confident modern tone. Design it in Canva with a clean, professional template. Offer LinkedIn bio rewrites for an upsell. Pro tip, reach out in LinkedIn groups and charge a bundle, $149 for resume plus cover plus LinkedIn. You don't need to be a coder or AI expert to start. Choose one hustle, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy heavy lifting. Which one will you start first?